Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever had a quiet moment? Maybe you were standing at the sink or staring at your computer screen, and you wondered, is this it? Is this really how you're meant to live your life? I hear this from clients all the time. They'll come to me burned out and overwhelmed. Everything appears successful from the outside, but on the inside, they're seeking more. When I ask them one simple question, what do you really want? They often will get quiet, not because they don't want more, but because they haven't allowed themselves to ask. That's what today's episode is all about. Not just dreaming bigger, but actually getting clear on your desires so that you can live a life that feels like it was built just for you. Let's dive in. You can't set the right goals if you don't know what you truly want. It's easy to spend your whole life chasing someone else's definition of success. Maybe it's climbing the corporate ladder, hitting your revenue goals, being a reliable partner, or being the go-to expert. But when I ask, what do you want? I mean, what do you really want? What's that quiet whisper that you've been keeping to yourself? When I work with clients inside the reinvention process, this is where we begin. We turn down the noise, the pressure, and all of the shoulds and should nots, and we listen. Not just for the surface level goals like I want to make more money or I want more balance, but the deeper, truer, personal reasons behind each of them. Maybe for you it's more freedom in your time, to write that book that you've secretly dreamed about, to get out of a job that no longer fits, even if it pays well, or to live in a way that finally feels like it's yours. However, most people don't give themselves permission to want what they truly desire. They think that they're being selfish or unrealistic, or that it's just too late. And if that's where you are right now, I want you to know that it's not only normal, but it's also not a problem. It's your starting point. What if you let yourself want what you truly want? Let me walk you through a quick exercise. Just take a moment and list 5 of your desires. That's it. 5 things that you'd love to have or experience in your life. I don't want you to put any filters on this list. Don't talk yourself out of something by saying that it's not possible, you could never afford it, or what would other people think. This isn't about practicality yet. It's all about being honest with yourself. It's about giving yourself permission to want, even if it scares you. Inside the reinvention process, we take this simple step and we expand it. We explore why you want what you want, without any judgment. That's where the clarity starts to build. And with clarity, your confidence follows. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.